Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious red velvet cake with yummy cream cheese frosting. The cake is super soft and spongy and moist, and the frosting is really delicious. So this makes for the perfect birthday cake. Also, this is an eggless recipe, so that is awesome. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन्ते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन रो लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. Let's start with the recipe. First, to 1 cup of room temperature milk, add juice of half a lemon, give it a mix. Keep aside for 10 to 15 minutes. In a bowl, take half cup of softened butter. To that, add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Whisk and mix till the butter turns white and fluffy. Then add 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. Whisk and mix till combined. Next, sift and add the dry ingredients. Add 1½ cup maida, 1½ tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift everything together. Mix everything well with a spatula. Gradually add the prepared buttermilk and mix. Next, add 1 teaspoon of red food color. This is essential for red velvet cake. Mix well till combined. A beautiful red velvet cake batter is ready. Grease a 6-inch cake tin and place butter paper. Grease again on top. And then transfer the cake batter into the mold. Level it with a spatula. Tap to remove air bubbles. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 45 minutes. Our perfectly baked red velvet cake is ready. Cover and let it cool down. Let's prepare the frosting. In a bowl, take 3/4 cup of homemade cream cheese. You can also take store-bought cream cheese. To that, add half cup of powdered sugar and beat till combined and smooth. Check out the I button for the cream cheese recipe. In a bowl, take 1 cup of chilled sweetened whipping cream. Beat till stiff peaks are formed. If you are using unsweetened whipping cream, then add half cup of sugar to it. Next, gradually add the cream cheese and lightly fold it in. Cream cheese frosting is really delicious for red velvet cake. Our cream cheese frosting is ready now. Demold the cake. Remove the butter paper. Flip the cake. Next, first cut the top domed part. We'll be making cake crumbs from this. Just crumble the top part. Next, cut the cake into 2 or 3 equal parts. I have cut it into 2 parts. Next, apply a little frosting on a cake board. Place the first layer of the cake. Spread sugar syrup on top. Just mix 3 tablespoons of sugar with 2 tablespoons of water for making the sugar syrup. Next, spread a layer of the frosting. Level it out and place another layer of the cake. Repeat the same steps again. Apply frosting to the sides of the cake. Level it out. I have leveled it using an offset spatula. Apply cake crumbs on the sides. I have crumbled the domed layer of the cake, which we will not be using. Next, wipe out the frosting all over the cake. I am making beautiful designs. You can make any design you want. Sprinkle some cake crumbs on top for beautiful pop of color. Our delicious eggless red velvet cake is ready. The frosting is super creamy and tasty, and the cake is soft, moist and spongy. You can make this tasty and amazing cake and surprise your loved ones anytime you want. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.